Network Entertainment.
Sa tingin nyo, meron bang parang mas special na mga programs para sa kanila?
Palagi ko, wala naman.
Pareho lang naman,
Oh, pero yun lang, i-expand lang talaga namin yung training. Ibabalik namin yung BMRA, BMW Rider Academy.
Yan.
So for starters, miski babae, lalaki, pwede. Then we have bikes also na women-friendly.
Yun.
Ano yung mga
Height
women?
lang naman yun eh.
Oh,
Pinag-uusapan
seat height.
natin dyan.
Welcome to another episode of Tunay na Riders, everybody. Tuesday na naman. Ano ba nangyari sa nakalipas na isang linggo? It's good to be back, ha? Last episode.
Iniwan niyo ako eh.
Sorry,
Ay, hindi. Ako nandun ako.
Di ko naman alam na wala siya.
Virtually.
Buti nandun si Ariana.
Yan.
Maraming salamat, Ariana.
Hindi
for
ka ba
dropping
nagpapasalamat? Mas matino yung kasama mo last week.
by. Actually, the show was way better without you guys.
Yan, okay. Ano ba nangyari sa nakalipas na isang linggo? Iba.
We had yung Makinamoto Tiangge.
Yes.
Kahit bumabagyo,
Oo, actually,
daming tao.
yung weekend na yun was crazy. Saturday, sobrang araw, mainit. Pero dagsaan tao. Tapos yung Sunday, maulan, pero ganun pa rin. Dumog pa rin. Iba talaga yun.
Sandali, I'm
How about
too
yung
old to multitask. I gotta share the link to
Oh, go ahead, go ahead.
Archie.
Share
Ako na,
links, share links.
links.
Basahin mo na lahat yan.
ako na ang
link yan?
mag-share ng ng nangyari pa ngayong linggo. Alam nyo ba, mga kapatid, yung no plate, no travel, inatras na naman ng LTO.
Ha?
Ang laki ng ginastos ko sa... Ay. Kompleto na ako sa plaka.
Hindi, kasi marami pa ring motorista, especially motor, no, na wala pa ring plaka hanggang ngayon.
Ha?
Kahit yung motor, more than 10 years ago na binili.
Ikaw may plaka ka na
Meron.
sa RA mo?
Yes, meron.
Ako yung 2013.
Ay, sandali, Archie. Yung GSA ko wala pang plaka. Sandali.
Ayan na.
Yun na lang yung walang plaka, Archie. Ah.
Archie, magkakahulihan na.
Good night sa inyo. Thank you.
Biglang umalis yung guest namin.
Hindi, pero maraming natuwa in fairness. Kasi kasalanan mo ba kung wala ka pang plaka, di ba?
Hindi, kasalanan pa rin ng LTO yan.
Oo. Ayan. Tapos may tropa tayong nagdiriwang ng kanyang birthday ngayon.
Si Jet Li.
Si Jet Li. Batiin
Happy
natin
birthday,
ng happy
Jet.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
I hope nanonood ka, Jet Li. At ipaprime ko na, mga kapatid, yung ating special na guest ngayon.
Yun.
Parinig mo naman yung boses mo, sir. Salita ka, Archie.
Hello.
Maraming fans to. Nag-aabang yung mga taga-Club BK, yung club niya.
Wala na yun.
Si Sir Jacob Ang nandyan. Tsaka si John Dallin, of course. Later makikilala niyo yan in about 10 seconds.
Kala ko surprise.
Uy,
Eto na nga.
Jack Buncho is watching. Jacob, baka pwede ka mag-shoutout kay Jack.
Is it her birthday?
No, she's the fastest woman on two wheels. And if you're nice to her,
Nandiyan
she'll
na ba
bring
siya?
us food.
She just wanna
Jack
say hi.
Buncho.
Yan.
You know. Okay ba, Jack? Also si si Angelo Gabriel. Baka pwede ka mag-hi sa kanya.
Hi, Angelo.
Kinikilig yan for sure. Iba, go ahead.
All right, welcome to another episode of Tunay na Rider. Okay, so this is the first episode na may kodigo kami talaga.
Oh.
And we prepared. And I told Buck and I told King to be on their best behavior.
First time ko nakitang kabahan si Iba bago yung show namin.
Oo,
nga.
nagpa-misa pa eh.
Bakit naman?
Welcome to Tunay na Rider, the podcast where we don't just talk about the machine. It's about heart, the crew, the trip, and paminsan-minsan may brip. I'm Iba. With me are Buck and King. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a pogi track boy, may ibang tawag doon eh. A daily commuter, or a hardcore ADV enduro rider, welcome to the ride.
Yan. And of course, here in the show ay napaka-espesyal na mga kaibigan natin mula sa BMW, no? To begin, kasama natin the new president of BMW and BMW Motorrad Philippines, Mr. Jacob Ang. Yan, palakpakan natin.
Wow! Kaya may, first time to.
Yan. And the director, syempre, kasama natin, Mr. Archie Garcia, director of BMW Motorrad. And
At saka belated happy birthday. Ito yung blowout ni Archie for us.
Happy birthday, Boss
papakain
Archie.
to mamaya.
Thank you.
And of course, the general manager of RSA Motors, Mr. John Dalen, ang katabi ko. Sir JD. Ayan. Iba, baka may tanong ka.
Well, shoutout muna natin. Ang daming
Ang
nanonood.
daming nanonood.
Medyo,
First time ganito karami.
Meron
Si
si
Kenneth
Tan.
Monzit.
Si Kenneth Tan daw.
Tan.
Ay,
Hi, Uncle.
si Tito Roy Bulisay, member ng Dark Horse, mga 1960s BMW ang niraride nila.
Nak si Rodjua.
Yan.
Rodchua and...
Uy,
Marunong na mag-internet.
Hi, Tito Rod.
primitibong tao to. Si Karen
Miss
nanonood.
Karen, nandyan din. Rodchua.
Good evening.
BMW ambassadors yan.
Oo, maraming salamat sa pagtutok, no? Tsaka si Monzit. Good evening sa'yo, Monzit.
Okay.
Okay.
Iba, baka may
Ako
question
na ba?
ka.
Ako pala yung nagsumablay. No?
Oo.
Alright, so, ayun, si Paolo.
Uy, Paulo Abrera. Good evening.
Si Paolo yung
Paolo.
mentor ko.
Sabado
mentor on
nights.
how to be
Tito
dapper.
Pau.
Okay, so I guess, Jacob, you're new to the position. No? But you've got a history of, I guess, racing.
Some.
So you've gone from karting to running BMW Motorrad PH. If you had to describe the transition, what would it be?
Awesome, I'd say.
All right. Thank you, ChatGPT. Next question. Bak, ikaw na!
Ano, yun na ba yun? Hindi.
Ba't ba nakakodigo kayo?
That's a stupid question.
Iba gusto niya,
Hindi
Kala ko
sanay.
kayo
may
yung
code ko
nagbilin
eh.
na loose tayo medyo.
Oh.
Si
sige,
Iba
game.
gusto
Basahin
prim
mo.
and proper.
Sige, awesome yung transition, di ba? Pero saan mo mas gusto? Sa pag nagta-track day ka?
Magtrabaho o mag-track?
Track day o trabaho?
Syempre kung may choice, track day.
Okay, good answer.
Sir, what first
Kaya mo
drew
yan.
you to speed? Kumbaga, ano yung naka-attract sa'yo kasi balita namin, di ba, you're often sa track. What drew you to speed, sir?
What drew me to speed was actually I'll just
Keanu
tell you
Reeves?
like my first time on a rental cart. And that was at City Cart way back then. And my sister Jackie, she brought me there to try lang, and then after using the rental cart, nagustuhan ko, and then I saw my lap times, it was showing up, it was popping up on the screen. And then from there on out, I was like, oh.
The competitive
I like
nature
this,
in you took over.
Yeah, you could say that. But
Ilan taon ka nun?
I was 10.
10. You know, a lot of the people I know who ride, yung background nila, yung mga really good riders, yung background nila is karting. Like sila Alvin.
Yeah.
Background niya karting. Oo. Kasi marunong magbasa ng linya, marunong sa... So,
Late braking,
it's
early
a great
acceleration.
foundation for riding.
Uy,
Papagalitan na ako ni Archie.
Tignan mo, si Paulo Obrera, natatawa sa inyo. Eto, seryosohan muna ha.
Sinabi ko sa iyo, Pao, bigyan mo ako ng tips eh. Hindi mo na ako sinagot. Sabi ko, big time yung guest namin. Diba? May serious question si Pao.
The game.
Sige, Pao, work for us, please.
Serious question muna. As a former racer, where extreme focus, a competitive fire
Naks, galing ng
tempered with
ChatGPT niya.
calculated patience is key. What attitudes and lessons from being in the driver's seat on track day carry over the driver's seat in business? Yari ka pa pag...
I think two things especially come to mind, which is confidence and composure. Because in business, you cannot lose cool. You have to always be on the right tempo, for you to make decisive and proper decisions. And when I say confidence also, I think confidence in your people, the brand, and everything around you, and knowing that the work you put in will really translate to good things. So, the confidence will really drive everything you do at work, really. Because without the confidence, I think yung diskarte ng tao talagang sira. So, that's what I got from racing. Kailangan you have to be confident in everything you do, in your decisions. Yun talaga.
So I want to say stuff, but I won't. But confidence and cool. Laking bagay. No, seriously, I agree, no? As an entrepreneur, there's so many stressors in your life, diba? But when you have a team of people that are A players, right? Like Archie,
Yes.
pangalan niya starts with A. Malaking bagay talaga there are things that as a leader you protect them from, but there are also things that you want to put pressure on. But laking bagay na being good peeps. Yun na lang, di ba, Archie?
Tama.
It helps. It helps.
Yeah,
Like
malaking tulong.
having a good environment with everybody really helps, because what's really important is that the ideas get bounced around with everyone. with everyone, because without hearing those ideas of your people, it's very hard to make an informed decision.
Parang
So having like a kind of, if you're on the track, you're not, kung ikaw yung, ikaw si Mark Marquez, ikaw si you listen to everyone on your team.
Yeah,
Everyone has a role, diba? You listen to
listen
the
to your coach,
mechanics,
your
you listen to
mechanics,
the tire dudes.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, that could mean the championship.
parang itong katabi natin si JD tsaka si Archie. The boss has confidence in them. Tignan mo, masayang-masaya sila.
Ayan, happy, no? Happy.
Parang
nako,
very
ayos.
happy.
No,
Iba yung
yeah.
aura ni Archie ngayon.
No, if you think I'm stressed, mas stress si Archie. Kasi the reason Jacob is here is because of Archie. Ngayon, if this goes horribly wrong,
Yari si
Yun.
Archie.
yari si Archie.
Kaya bago to, panay ang warning ko, please.
Please.
Tone down.
Kanina, open, pinagagalitan pa tayo eh.
Kaya ako nauna dito sa taas eh. Pinagsabihan ko.
Oo. Oy, mga nako-comments kung if you love Archie like we do, relax rin kayo, ha?
O, yung mga comment nyo, ha?
Nako, nandyan si Monzet, si Pau, Toral.
Si Henorio, ako, lagi nanonood yan.
Looking back doon sa mga racing days mo, anong year ba yun? Nagsimula ka?
10 years
Me,
old siya nun eh.
2010.
Tapos 10 years old ka nun.
Yes. I'm 24 today.
What?
Bata pa pala ni Sir.
Oo nga. Ano yung pinaka-proudest moment mo dun sa buong racing career mo?
I'd say having a couple wins here and there abroad, being able to race in Europe, that in itself was already enough for me. And I took pride in that because not everybody has the chance to go abroad, have the support to go abroad, show your talent. So a couple wins here and there, a couple of championships here and there, yeah, that I would say was the peak, at least for me.
Pwede paki-block si Rodjua. Pakilang.
Ivan, huwag mo pansinin si Lolo Rod.
Kalahati ng edad mo, Boss Archie.
Pa-delete.
Basahin ko ba? Bago yung next question mo.
Yeah, si Paolo na. Mas maganda yung mga tanong ni Paolo eh.
Tinanong na ni Paolo yung kanina eh.
Oo, mas maganda yung mga tanong ni Pao.
O tsaka mahal talent pin yan eh.
Next question na. Natabunan na
Oy,
eh.
yung question ni Pao, Ivan.
Kung mas gwapa daw si Sir Buck in person.
Yeah.
Alam ni Paolo yan.
Next question na, sabi ni Paolo. Sir Jacob, ngayon nakaharap mo na si Buck. Can you confirm or deny na mas pogi talaga siya in person ayon sa reports
Panira si
na
Pao,
pinagkakalat
nasira
niya?
yung reputation mo. Hindi ka na mag-host ng BMW event.
Nako, Sir Jacob, nag-host din ako
honestly,
event.
sir, hard for me to say because I've never seen a picture of you beforehand.
Sino ba si Bak?
Buti na lang wala akong Facebook.
Okay.
Next question.
Let's move to the leadership and vision.
Yun.
Galing talaga ng
So,
AI.
parang ano to leadership workshop. Dami natin
nandito yung
natutunan.
Exicom team nila eh. Okay, so and this I guess for everyone. What are the immediate priorities ng BMW Motorrad for riders? I mean, there's a change of the guard. BMW has been really a pillar of the motorcycle community for as long as Archie and I have been riding, right? Which is a long time, Archie.
Tagal na, sobra.
Tagal na.
Parang kay Archie yata tong tanong na to.
Ano yung mga priorities ngayon?
Ngayon, since our President Jacob Ang started, in-impart naman niya sa lahat na kami mismo magkaroon ng harmony within the company. Of course, yung maging maayos lahat, walang away, yung working relationship nyo dapat healthy. So, dyan magsisimula yun. Kami yung nagdi-deliver ng bikes, kami yung nag-i-introduce ng motor. So, kailangan maiparamdam namin sa labas na, kumbaga, kami pa lang as a company, ano na kami, okay kami lahat.
We're good. It's
We're
a
good.
very gelled team.
Yes.
Ibaba,
So, kailangan iparamdam mo sa labas na ganun din yung treatment namin sa kanila.
laking bagay.
Everyone's family.
Yes.
Ang laking bagay ng energy, right? And then if you have positive energy, that really leads to a more productive team, that leads to a happy community, that leads to happy customers, that leads to happy riders, it leads to safer riders.
And it shows. Sa mukha pa lang ni Sir JD.
Pero para
He's
si
always
JD,
happy.
siya ang
stress
tanungin
eh.
mo, iba, yung question mo, itanong mo sa dealership level kay JD.
Kaya,
oo.
pakinggan natin.
Ano yung priorities para sa mga riders?
So, well, for us, I think the first thing is yung synergy between the distributor and us and the dealerships. We want to make sure that we bring out the best in us. Sabi nga nila, bago magkaroon ng CS, kailangan meron munang ES.
Ano yan?
Ano yung ES?
Yeah. CS muna is customer service or satisfaction.
Oh, okay.
So bago magkaroon nun, kailangan meron munang employee satisfaction.
Oh.
So right now, we feel that
Trainer
we're doing that synergy, and it will show within the organization, to our customers, and even to the community. Gusto namin maparating na we're one big family so that our customers also will feel that they're not a customer, that they will feel that they're a family, part of the family of Motorrad.
Wait, so you were saying that JD was a trainer before? What?
I used to do training in my previous life. So
So like HR,
sales training.
Sales
and
training.
product
Tignan mo,
Yes.
iba siya yung pinakatahimik. Ang galing pala sumagot.
Yes. Life
Palitan
coach.
natin title.
Si Jacob Orbe, oh.
Oh, Jacob Orbe is watching. From
Bumabati
Canada.
all the way from
Shout out,
Canada.
shout
Good
out.
evening, TNR. Sir Archie, Sir Jacob, and make life a ride. Diba? Yung mote ka ng BMW. Balikan na raw. Jacob.
Okay na.
Coach ko yan.
Oh, okay.
Maraming na-coach si Jacob, of course.
Isa ako doon.
Isa ka.
Estudyante ako niyan. On-road at off-road.
Oh, ito yung wait, shout out muna kay Moto Doggo. Hey, what's up, Corey? And okay, hindi galing to sa akin, galing kay Paolo Abrera. Archie, tell us about the
Nako.
450 na.
Go.
Definitely yung 458 's coming, pero 2026 pa.
Ano bang 450 yan? Pakibigyan naman ng context yung mga nanonood.
450, okay. Single cylinder, entry level bike.
The car ready?
Dalawang klaseng variant yan. May isa yung off-road. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa yung nirelease globally. And then, meron ding entry level. So,
Standard.
we are expecting na mauna yung entry level. Yun yung konting info about the 450.
Yun.
Okay, wait, balik sa leadership and vision. Okay. Okay, I'm taking out some of these other ChatGPT questions because they're kind of sucky. But this is a good one, and I think this is good for JD. No, if you could redesign the rider experience at the dealership level, what top 3 improvements will we be seeing, or would you be doing?
Okay, so I think that the most important for all of the riders would be number one would be safety. Okay, and that is something that has to be prioritized, and of course not only shared to our customers but also within the organization. Number one yon, kasi una-una, the customers should not only be buying bikes because they want to ride bikes, but we also want to make sure that they ride the bikes safely. Okay. Next would be the opportunity to actually purchase the bike. Okay. Madalas ang hirap nung gusto natin bumili, pero pag nagkaroon ng impression the bike is actually expensive, nahihirapan na. And we need to have sales consultants who actually help them to purchase our products. That is something that we need to develop. We're developing it further. We are going to make sure that anyone who goes to our bikes, our showroom, kung ikaw ay underbone rider, kung ikaw ay mid-level or scooter riders, we would be able to help you ride our bikes. And that's very, very important. And third is to make sure that our customers will be very happy. Alam mo, madaling sabihin yung make life a ride, but the problem is how do you make your customers really happy in riding our bikes? It's a line that defines a lot of things, but it's only the people who actually knows how to ride understand this now, and we have to impart that to our team members, our customers, all of the people who would like to ride our bikes would have to understand that it's not easy, but yet it is very happy. We're gonna make people happy as we ride our bikes, and that's very important for us.
Well, I mean, going with the first part, safety. No?
Yes.
For me, I am a safer rider because of what BMW and sila Sir Hill did back in the day. Right? Ang daming training. This is world-class training.
Yeah.
And then we've got Jacob watching. Again, world-class trainer. I learned from all of these incredible riders. So is that going to be something we'll see more of? Yeah.
Yes, definitely. It's not only. I think as we go through the next coming years, with the rest of the team, that is our number one priority. Even in the dealership level, sa amin pa lang it would start. And of course, with the support of Tito Archie from the distributor and Sir Jacob, we want to make sure that all of our customers would need to understand that it's not gonna be just, alam mo naman, ang problema natin, yung mga asawa natin, di ba? Yung mga partners natin. Uy,
Ay, hindi naman
delikado
problema.
yan.
Ako hindi ko problema yun.
Problema ba yun?
Ikaw lang. Ikaw lang.
Ikaw lang.
My wife is the best.
And that's very important. I mean,
Han, bibili na ako ng BMW.
if our family members understand that and they realize how kasi hindi nila maintindihan di ba what we're going through, but if they can actually experience it just by going to our showrooms, you would go out with a bike. It's very, very important.
Speaking of wipes, recently nag-usap kami ni ni Karen kasi natatandaan ko nun sa Germany, merong workshop or training for pillions. Meron.
Nice.
Maganda. Ano yun? Kung meron tayong program nun para dito, it also helps na yung mga asawa ng mga gustong bumili ng BMW, titrain natin para pumayag na silang bilhin yung bike. Di ba?
No, actually, okay. So,
Mas safer. Mas safer
but
din.
once in a while, you say something brilliant.
Oh, syempre.
No. Because, okay.
Bayad to eh.
So I had a string of BMW. I had a Harley first. And my wife hated it. Hated riding on that bike.
Eh paano? Para ka nakasakay sa bukas na plancha.
At saka, yung pinashave ko pa yung upuan para pag ganun eh. So nakakapit, medyo dating pa. So gusto mo, ngayon asawa.
Kotse na lang.
I got a 650 GS, diba? Then I got a Dakar na yung 650. And may top case. That's when my wife would ride with me all the time. Then I got the GS 12. Yun, ang dami namin pinuntahan. Then I bought a KTM 990 Adventure, yung kay Buck. My my wife hated that bike. So
Di kami yun. Di kami yun.
no, because it was just such a violent, aggressive
Oo.
bike.
Ano yan?
Diba?
May, ano yan? Temperamental na ano yan na
Oo,
motor.
nakibak ngayon. That's why galit yung asawa niya sa kanya eh. No, but happy life, happy wife. And if you can get your wife to be part of your passion and go on these great... I've seen so many sunsets, been to so many romantic places with Buck and King. I've been to way more romantic destinations and experienced so many more of these great experiences with Archie, right? Than I have
Kesa
with
kay
my
Grace?
wife. That's an incredible,
Oy,
Teka, eto kasi yung kwento dyan. Recently, nanghiram ako ng bike sa BM.
I want to say, Buck's wife, for the longest time, sabi ko, Buck, sama natin, mag-ride tayo, ganon. Refuses to ride with him.
ayaw.
Yung una niyang ride, 990 eh.
Anong 990 yan?
Yung adventure.
Yung walang
So,
ABS.
ayaw talaga. So, yung nangyari doon, sabi ko, Archie, peram. Kasi, training ko siya kung paano maging pillion. So, ngayon, mas na-enjoy niya ngayon yung pag-ride sa akin na hindi siya nagugulat, mas sumasabay siya sa liko ko. So, mas safe yung biyahe namin. Also, pumapayag na siyang bumili ako ng mga motor.
Yun ang the best doon. Oy,
Saan mo siya dinala? From zero,
nagdala kami, oo.
refusing to ride with him, ha? Saan kayo pumunta? With the BMW?
Kami, nag-vegan kami. Ivan pa mamaya pakita mo yung picture nung GS.
yan. Okay.
Sige. So, nag-vegan kami. Never ko siyang nakitang ganun kasaya sa motor. Kasi dati parang dalawang kanto lang yung...
Kasi never ko nakita, masaya siya kasama mo eh.
Dalawang
Pag
kanto lang.
naka-BMW ka, masaya siya eh.
Oo. Dalawang kanto lang galing sa bahay, yung Dunkin' Donut sa Balete.
BMW
Galit na galit yun.
Uy, alam nyo, speaking of mag-asawa, Tito Ivan, pwede ba nating ipop yung comment ni Kuya Raymond? Etong taong to, yung tatay ng binati
Teka
mo
lang,
kanina, Sir
nagagalit
Jacob.
na si Earl Marie.
Si Earl. What's up,
Sinisigawan na
Earl?
tayo eh. Hi Earl
Eto na nga, Earl,
from
nagsasalita
Daanghari,
na ako.
BMW Daanghari.
Oo, sa Cavite.
Sa Cavite.
Sir Jacob, yung ipapapop ko na comment, si Raymond Gabriel, siya yung tatay nung nag-greet mo kanina, si Angelo Gabriel. Mag-asawa to, avid fans ng BMW. The wife rides a BMW F800 tsaka F750 while the husband is a 1250 GS Adventure.
And they've ridden all over the Philippines.
Yes, all over the Philippines.
And
they
they're
have
the
a page.
reason why we get to ride all over the Philippines, because they are one of the reasons why there is Filipino motorcycle tourism. They work with the Tourism Promotion Board. They advocate for safe riding, families riding together. They're really awesome people.
Masipag yan, yung dalawang maganda.
Yun. Ito, yan. Isa sa mga stopover
Hi
namin.
Raymond.
Alam ko to. Sa
GSA
ano?
yan.
Happy yung wife mo sa
Oo!
Alam ko yan. Alam mo tawag dyan sa beach na yan, Bak, yung hinintuan mo?
Hindi ko alam.
Susok Beach.
Suso
Humihinto rin ako dyan
Beach.
para mag-picture ng kotse.
Birthday niya pala ngayon. Yan. Happy
Sa-
birthday. Congrats sa
Uy,
bagong
happy
bike.
birthday, Angel.
Bibili na si Bak ng BMW para sa'yo.
Ayan pa.
Daw sa lahat ng BMW owners.
Oh, shout out.
Shout out daw sa lahat.
Ayan pa, Sir Jacob, si Julie Ann Tolentino, she's got a vlog called Miss Techie. Siya si Miss Techie. Ang
Hi,
daming
Miss Techie.
BMW na motor niyan. Lady rider who rides all sorts of motorcycles. Hindi nawawala ng BMW sa kanyang staple.
May pulis pang nagbanta sa akin, no?
Oh.
Nako.
Ay, Papa Archie, kapag hindi mo ko binati, aabangan kita sa...
Alam niyan kung saan ka matatagpuan.
Huwag
Nako.
mo na batiin para
Huwag ko na batiin. Huwag ko na batiin si Nico.
Ayan.
Nicodemus.
Eto guys, yung tanong ko, all three of you can answer, no?
1 plus 1.
Hindi naman ganun kadali. What excites you most about leading both BMW cars and BMW Motorrad? And in your case, yung Motorrad. Sino mauna? Okay, go. Dealer.
Dealer mo. Hindi, ako na. Unahan ko na yan.
Oh, sige.
Hindi, ako naman, syempre, this all started as a passion. Alam mo naman yan, iba, di ba? puro lang tayo motor-motor, walang iniisip. And then,
Kahit anong motor, basta two wheels, si Archie, kami,
Oo.
lahat kami, ride.
and then napunta ako sa industry ng motorcycle sales. So, gusto mo yung ginagawa mo kasi you get to ride
Gusto mo
every
lang nag-discount sa suspension, di ba? Yan ang dahilan pumasok ka doon eh.
Hindi
Mahal
naman.
ng all-ins.
Hindi naman.
Access sa sa pyesa.
Access sa pyesa para mag-setup eh.
So, love mo lang talaga yung ginagawa mo. Riding, hindi mahirap i-explain kung anong nakukuha natin sa pagra-ride. Pero nung naging work, everyday nakikita mo kung ano yung
Passion mo.
yes.
Mm.
So, siguro yun. Kaya lahat nung everyday na lang motor.
Hindi ka na nagsawa, ano? Ganon.
Oo. Pero ngayon, medyo hindi na ako nakaka-ride. Babalik tayo dyan.
Yan.
May mga tinatapos lang kami ni Sir Jacob.
Tama. Mga projects.
Oo
Yes,
nga.
marami.
Dati, anytime, anywhere, si Archie naka-ADV 150, 160.
160.
Na mukhang BMW. Di ba? Yung BMW colors. Ngayon, naka 4 wheels na siya.
Alam mo, kaya nga,
Mahirap pag tumatanda na eh.
yun pala yun. Next. Sinong sasagot dun sa question na yun? Sir Jacob.
Sige sir, sagot sa akin.
Pwede naman ako.
Si JD, so makakasama ka rito eh.
Pero my answer's gonna be very short. But what I would say is, we as a group, we love to see people happy. You know, we love to be able to bring the right products for all of the riders in the Philippines, because with the BMW products, you get the best bikes, you get the best quality, and you also get the training and the community. But aside from that, very soon, I'd like to say, we are working on a possible available paddock for you guys
Uy.
to use
Uy.
Yes.
at Clark.
Uy,
So you
pang
guys
ano
do
na,
track days.
PSBK.
Iba talaga yung racing background ni Sir Jacob. Naiintindihan yung mga ganong pangangailangan.
Oo nga naman, kailangan mo ng paddock muna. Diba?
Actually, yan yung first comment niya nung nag-start siya. Asan ang position natin sa racetrack? So, moving forward, ngayon may mga plans na.
The last time I saw a BMW in a racetrack was Paolo and Archie.
Yeah, yung endurance.
Oo.
Yung Club
oo.
200.
So hindi na kayo doon makikisquat sa
Hindi na.
sa gilid.
Mukhang ano
May
kami
BMW na
meron
talaga.
We will have our own home. So everybody will have a new place to call home.
Sarap pakinggan, no? Home.
And kung nandun na kami sa racetrack, alam mo na yung next nun.
Sabihin pa ba natin? O?
Sabihin mo na!
Go!
Si Rodo, excited.
Si Sir Jacob. Sige.
Obviously, we've got plans for an enduro park. Actually, that was Sir
Kailangan mo ba ng
Archie's,
trainer or coach?
Yes.
Yes.
Soon. Yes.
Oo, magre-resign na ako.
Huwag ka namang Mongolia.
Malulungkot yung mga kambing
Pero
dun.
nandyan si Toto, nanonood eh.
Oh, nandiyan.
Ay, coach ko yan. Coach Toto.
Oo.
Tsaka pabalik na daw si si Orbe.
Jacob.
Oo. Nag-book na ng
Sana,
ticket si
sana.
Jacob.
Pati yung tatay na Orbe. Kunin nyo.
Oh, sorry. Okay, Enduro.
Enduro Park.
We're gonna have an enduro park. As to when, I don't wanna promise anything yet, but ang mauuna dyan yung racetrack, and that will come very soon.
Wait,
to when also, I don't
Enduro or
Both.
Both.
We will do both.
Both.
like a track? Like a road
Park.
track or
Paddock.
No,
Paddock.
the paddock.
the paddock?
At the
Okay,
racetrack,
okay,
which is
okay.
at Clark.
CIS.
And then an enduro park. I don't wanna say where it's gonna be first and how many.
Naku,
they're gonna
Off-air na lang, off-air.
Yun na nga
Mamaya.
Off-air.
Okay. Yun. Same question, JD.
Mahirap na sumunod dyan eh.
Since napakahusay mo sumagot, JD.
Thank you. Sinare na niya yung Enduro Park, magkaroon ng paddock.
Ulitin ko yung tanong para fresh kay JD. What excites you most about leading the RSA Motors?
Ayan, pakinggan natin yan. Maganda yun.
Medyo wala na ako masabi. Nasabi na lahat ni boss. Well, siguro because the most important thing para sa tingin ko is being able to be part of that community. So yung makasama ka lang and to have those programs that wala pa kami, no? O wala pa kami o hindi na namin nagagawa for the longest time. is very exciting na for me. So yun pa lang, I'm very happy to be part of it. If we're going to be able to give this to our community. And kung mauuna man kami sa ganitong mga programs for the customers, I'm sure definitely magiging masaya yung mga riders natin.
JD, if I may share, mga kapatid, yung huling ride ko with BMW sa community rides nila, parang may mga media na sinama, was in 2023 pa. Independence Day ride. I hope maulit. It's Shield na sumama sa mga
Alam ko
BMW.
marami. Hindi ka lang yata inimbita.
Yun nga yun. Doon na ako papunta ba?
Hindi, wag ka mauna ka sa listahan.
Doon na ako papunta, di na ako nai-invite.
After this, hindi na tayo may invite talaga. Speaking of
Magpakabait kayo.
mga rides na Raymond Gabriel saying earlier, he's an advocate of riding around the beauty of the Philippines. He's inviting all of these riding tour dudes and women from all over the world to come to the Philippines for International Motorcycle Exchange this November.
Uy.
Andun ako.
Buck is gonna represent Mongolia. And then the Era is coming also, right? The Mongolia operators for Yamaha. Baka you guys would want to support as well, because what they want is really to have world-class motorcycle tours, because the Philippines is beautiful to ride in. We have everything.
Ang dami ng mga Southeast Asian countries na nag-offer ng ganyan. Tayo na lang ang nahuhuli.
Yeah. And if you guys go abroad, you should try one of the tours. Like maybe not Mongolia kasi medyo hardcore yung ginagawa nila Buck. Pero may 5-star chef na.
Oo.
There's a chef that comes with them.
In the tour.
There's ano yun, yung yurt.
Actually, 5-star tour kami.
So, but I think BMW is also known globally for their tours. Diba?
Siguro kailangan ko na rin i-mention. Malapit na, magkakaroon kami ng bike rental.
Yun! Okay.
So, may isa ng tour, si Mr. Alvin B. This will happen in Cebu.
Touratech.
Actually, hindi Touratech. Cebu to mangyayari. Merong mga foreigners dyan na kasama. And then next is December. May mga foreign guests din. So, basically,
I
ang
think
kausap...
sila Alvin are helping this.
Yes.
Basically,
Basically,
also international motorcycle tours.
ang magiging kausap lang namin dito are tour operators.
Yun.
Amazing.
So,
Aligned.
kaya rin yan
Ang
yung...
daming great events, ha?
Yes, medyo kaya sobrang busy. Sobrang busy.
So, dagdag ko. Ito, si John D. Lacson. Puro Luzon. Yung mga, in Cebu. Paano daw yung, Mindanao. John D's got this spirited ride around the Mindanao Freedom Ride, November 7 to 15 in Palawan. It's too spirited for me, John D. Hindi ako bagay dyan.
Sama ka raw, ini-invite ka niya.
Oo nga eh.
Sabi ni King, ba't ako hindi?
Hindi, okay lang.
Hindi.
Matagal tignan mo 1 week.
Hindi, supportahan natin si Sir John D. dyan.
Yan, oo.
And
Pero-
good evening kay Mr. John.
Oh, good evening kay Mr. John D. Nakasupport din kami sa convention for next year.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Ngayon. Okay, ako, I guess, diretso na ako sa Codigo ulit, iba.
Okay.
Ako pala itong next na tanong ulit. Buti
Kodi
nakita ko.
sila ngayon. Pag pinapanood ko to, wala eh. Walang kodi ko.
Oo nga eh. Nakakapanibago, no? Anyway,
Breathe in and out. You deserve peace, and sometimes peace starts with a clean home. With CleanWorks, you don't just get a spotless space, you get mental clarity. Professional cleaners, systematic service, hygienic, safe, and stress-free. Let CleanWorks handle the mess so you can focus on what truly matters. Rest, family, or just your time. Clean space, calm mind. Book now at CleanWorks PH on Instagram or Facebook, or call 0966 200 6910 to schedule your cleaning. Because self-care starts at home.
what unique role does BMW Motorrad play in Philippine rider culture?
Unique role. Actually, ngayon, wala namang unique when it comes to riding. Siguro, kami, ngayon, yung trabaho namin, yes, marami. Iniisip namin ngayon yung, again, yung, magkausap tayo dito eh. Yung plan to educate clubs na magkaroon ng participant, each of them, to join sa isang ERT training.
So, okay. So, ano.
Tuloy mo na iba. Ayan yung isa.
It's one of our passions with our good friend si Mark Sung, diba? And then whenever Mark has a ride, and like for example, Buck, you are trained with first aid, lahat ng mga ano mo yung training mo, Buck?
Madami, hindi ko na nga maalala.
Enlighten me, guys. Ano yung ERT muna?
Buck.
Emergency response training.
Okay.
So, I think I think every motorcycle club, if you're gonna do, primarily if it's an official ride, right? Yeah. There should be a person that is in charge of safety. And yes. we've had yung group nila James Deacon on the show talking about it. Buck has been trained. I've been trained. Toto was trained. You need to have protocols and training. And I think that's and I was talking to Archie about this a year ago, no?
No. 2 months ago, 3 months ago.
No, before pa.
Okay, hindi ko maalala. Basta nasa Davao ako niyan.
Stress pa siya noon time na yun.
Stress pa. Blacked out.
Baka stress
Naka-black out si Archie.
Hindi mo na naalala.
Pero a year ago, kasi a good friend passed away. And I think that, if there was a right training, that could have been... I don't know. You never know. It's hard to learn.
I mean, preparation is key.
Yes.
Yeah,
Normally, pag Sundays, magra-ride isang club. Pag may na-disgrasya, hindi na nila alam kung anong gagawin.
At saka
nakatigil na.
Tama ba, Boss Archie? May mga club ngayon mas concerned pa na may mekaniko ba tayong kasama pag nag-ride? Di ba parang mekaniko ng motor, paano pag sa tao may nangyari?
Yun
pala yung
at saka importante din yun. Hindi lang naman din sa grupo nagkakaroon ng mga mishaps eh. Pwede din kasing meron kayong madaanan na aksidente. So in that way, medyo malilesen natin yung risk na bumabiyahe tayo, malalayo yan sa mga ospital eh. So malilesen mo na yung risk bago pa dumating sa ospital, at least meron man lang first aid.
Kaya pala gustong-gustong kasama ni Iba mag-ride si Buck.
Oo!
ERT tapos mekaniko pa.
Every time, like, nagyaya si Mark mag-general na car. I don't know ako. Sabi ni Mark, isasama natin si Buck. Okay. No, but not only that, not only for two wheels because if you looked at the news or experienced what's happening to this country in the last month, magagamit mo yon anywhere.
Left and right ang aksidente.
Naalala ko na nag-coronadal kami ni Toto. Naglindol. Noon parang 7 point something na lindol sa coronadal during one of the NatCons. That's a long time ago. My other tip is, if there's an earthquake, don't sleep naked. Kumamatay na ako dito. Si Toto kumakatok sa door Iba, labas ka na!
Or i-ready nyo na yung mga, helmet nyo ready.
No, because, okay, if you do long rides, tipid na tipid ka sa damit, di ba? Tipid ka sa underwear, tipid ka sa Ngayon, bring enough underwear, man. Okay lang. It's a lifesaver talaga.
Kung na ka doon, bro, matatagpuan ka palang naked. Unbelievable.
Wait, balik tayo sa safety, please.
Buti nabuhay ka.
Balik daw sa safety.
Oy, kanino yung next tanong? Buck.
Ako ba? Teka,
masyado
tayo nag-enjoy.
How do you see?
Ayan. Eto, napapansin ko kasi dumadami yung yung mga babae na nagmomotor.
Ayan, si Miss Teki, si Karen,
si Jotan Lakap.
Jotan Lakap, yung Litas ng Davao, naka-BMW.
Yeah.
Ang daming riding groups and a lot of incredible women riders.
Si Earl. Galing na rider
So,
yan.
Oo, Inday
parang
La Cochera.
sa tingin nyo, meron bang parang mas special na mga programs para sa kanila?
Palagay ko, wala naman.
Pareho lang naman, no?
Oh, pero yun lang, i-expand lang talaga namin yung training. Ibabalik namin yung BMRA, BMW Rider Academy.
Yan.
So for starters, miski babae, lalaki, pwede. And then we have bikes also na women-friendly.
Yun.
Ano yung mga
Height
women?
lang naman yan eh. Yung
seat
pinag-uusapan
height.
natin dyan.
Oh, so
So-
women and Gino Rufino friendly. Ano si Gino papunta
Gino,
sa
sorry,
Bhutan.
hindi ako
hindi,
yan,
hindi siya manunod tonight eh.
Ah,
Kasama
buti.
sila Mark Nelson, magkano sila
Oh,
eh.
salamat ka, di nanonood yun.
Hindi,
ya.
pero kasi...
So, pag-uusapan na natin si Gino. So, ano yung mga bikes na Gino friendly?
Teka, ito yung po-point out ko muna. Kadalasan kasi yung pagmumotor medyo male-centric. Diba? Maski pag pumunta ka sa CIS, yung parang CR dun, minsan ayaw mong ihian yun eh.
Bakit?
Madalas sa mga ibang sa mga ibang racetrack, walang parang female friendly na CR. So, parang doon ba sa mga paddock na gagawin nyo, may mga ganyan tayo.
Sinabi mo yan, gagawin.
Oh, yun.
Taking
Of
feedback.
course.
Miss Techie, what can we make?
Powder
do?
room!
Oh,
Lagay
yung mga
tayong powder
ganyan,
room.
oh.
Baka si Miss Techie, sila Jack, na madalas nandun sa racetrack, di ba?
Si
How can we make it more female rider friendly?
Iba.
Nakikinig si Archie.
Si Mistake, kaklase ko yata to sa BMRA na pang road. Dun sa
before.
sa
Si Jacob
Carmona.
ang
Jacob and Toto ang coaches.
coach. Okay.
Ito ang common bike ng lady rider from BMW I. GS750 at 850.
Yes.
Yan sabi ni Miss
Tama.
Techie.
Tama si
Then,
Mistake.
yung F900.
Yeah. I know a friend who's a very, very famous.
Ako, pang lady bike pala ako.
Si Miss Jeneline Mercado.
Yeah.
Sir Jacob,
Oo.
mabalitaan lang kita. Since nagkaroon siya ng F800 GS, I never saw her ride any other bike. Mong happy siya doon.
Si Inday Rider.
Yeah.
Actually, there are a
Arlene.
lot of women on
F750.
On the F750.
Tsaka F800. Si Malu Gabriel.
Oh.
Oh.
Ayan, self-defense.
Defense kit para sa mga lady rider.
Oh.
Taser. 45.
Kay
Tenorio.
Kenneth Tan may
Kenneth
binibenta.
Tan, yung beer na.
Basta may lisensya.
Oo.
No, actually,
Yung beer na yata, hindi kailangan.
no, si Kenneth Tan. Okay. Small plug. There's this thing he brings in, and they use it's called Birna, and it looks like a gun. But it's air powered,
Non-lethal.
non-lethal. You just need
CO2.
no, you just need yung airsoft license to carry. And it has ridiculous stopping power. Like meron pepper spray, pepper balls, and it's a big ass ball.
Pero baril siya.
Ang pangit pakinggan. Bigas ball.
Pero may stopping power. So like for example, Bucor can use it for non-lethal ways to control. Ganon yung usage niya.
Crowd control.
Rubber
Crowd
bullets.
control. Actually, I'm kind of tempted to get one, pero I'm scared my wife would use it against me. Non-lethal naman. Ayun, nanonood si Kenneth.
Ayan,
Oo.
yan.
And
Tinawanan lang kayo.
And you can
Kung
bring
ano-ano
that on the
sinasabi
bike. Kasi,
niya.
I know a lot of guys who, like, we rode with a priest once. Yung shooting priest. Sumemplang siya. The one in Tondo yata. Basta he's a rider na priest and he teaches self-defense and he has a shooting range in his parish, right? Sumemplang siya. He broke his ribs because the gun was there.
Oh, no.
So, hindi nakatulong.
Hindi nakakatulong. Pero I think yung mga non-lethal could be interesting.
Yeah. Uy, sabi ni Paolo, Karen does a great job of representing women riders. Totoo naman.
Oo.
Karen Kennedy.
I keep on forgetting babae pala si Karen.
Mahusay kasi mag-ride.
Kaya ako pakan nun eh.
Okay.
Itak yan sa
Iba.
kotse.
Mobility and future tayo.
Oh, yun. Ako, I'm a big fan of electric, right? I 90% of the time I'm in an EV. I have a EV car. I have an EV scooter. I love the BMW EVs. So what's the future? I mean, when do you think these things are gonna click? Because you guys have great products. The technology is better. It's more efficient. It's more affordable.
Good looking.
It's better for the environment. But it's still not there. Eh.
Yes, agree.
Okay,
Wala eh.
next.
Walang, for me okay siya. Pero depende sa kung saan gagamitin ng rider. Depende.
The range isn't too far, and the charging outlets aren't everywhere. So
Yes.
it's gonna be quite tough, I think, for us until that infrastructure has been grown.
But EV cars are picking up, right?
Yes. Well, I'd say mostly hybrids.
Hybrids.
Today, I believe, Sir Jacob, you arrived on a fully EV vehicle.
No. That was a hybrid.
Hybrid. Okay.
Plug-in hybrid, to be
Yun.
specific.
You may promote. Anong kotse yun, sir?
It's an X550E.
Yun. Napaka-pogi na hybrid.
So see King, he's the only one among us that his YouTube channel also does car reviews.
Car reviews.
Pigil na pigil siya eh. Because sabi ko, motor lang pag-uusapan natin.
Oh, bawal kotse rito.
Bawal kotse. Tunay na rider tayo, hindi tunay na driver.
Na-promote na. Sorry.
Anong pinapoint out mo?
Si Jason sabi, birthday ng nasa kaliwa mo.
Si Archie?
Oo.
Last week.
Last week.
That's why hindi sila natuloy last week.
Mahina to si Jason.
Ayaw ni Archie magpakain last week eh.
Hindi, ba't ba tayo hindi natuloy? Merong commitment.
Akala ko ayaw mo lang mag-blow out.
Hindi.
Okay, bumati tayo sa isang resource person natin, si Mr. Banayad, Brando Rosales, tsaka si Mr. Jancy.
Nako, Brando is a good friend and he's on the show all the time. He's one of our mga experts, subject matter experts when it comes to LTO, MMDA road regulations. Pero wag nyo pahiram ng 450 yan, ha? wag nyo pa. Kasi
Brando, hindi ako yan si Iba na yan.
The hardcore rider kasi
hardcore
si Brando.
rider yan.
Hindi, if you want to test.
Okay lang yun. No problem.
If you want
Oy, Brando.
Narinig mo yun?
kung gusto nyo matest
I
yung
warned
mga
you,
off-road bikes nyo, padala nyo kay Brando.
Yan, oo. Matet. Uy, yan na si Jack Buncho. Jack, binati
Speaking
kay Sir
of-
Jacob.
Ba't puro heart yan, Jack?
Sir Jacob, baka pwedeng mabati mo siya
Jack
ulit. Nanonood
Buncho.
mo.
Hi, Jack Buncho.
The
Good
fastest woman rider.
Di ba taga dyan lang yan sa...
Oo. Dalawang kanto from here.
Jack,
Last week,
may pagkain.
nagluto yan. Nagdala ng pagkain dito eh.
Wrong timing ka, Jack. Dapat ngayon. Okay. More on mobility, Iba? O talon na tayo dun
No, I
sa
think I'm solved. I'm solved. Not yet. Hybrid first. We need to build the infrastructure because it's true. I have a house. I can install a charger. It's fine for me, but for people who live in condos, people who don't have a garage,
Yeah, and I'm
and
sure
that's everyone else.
I'm sure people want to travel far, right? With the vehicle that they've purchased or the bike that they've purchased.
yeah.
So it's
Wala pang hybrid na motor eh.
yeah. wala. So I mean, it's gonna be quite hard to use the electric, right? Like for example, you want to go to Baguio or something.
Yeah.
So, range pa rin.
The range is really a big
And
Okay.
infrastructure.
It's really for me, urban mobility, electric without a doubt.
Pero darating din tayo dyan.
Darating
Oh.
na tayo, darating.
Bak, bago yung
Isa
rapid
lang.
fire question mo, babasa muna ako ng isang seryoso ulit mula kay Paulo Abrera.
Again?
Oo.
Paolo, ganito,
Seryoso
pag Martes, gawin mo kasi, pumunta ka rito, mag-host ka na rin.
Yan, oo. Dadaling
Hindi na
trabaho
maaga
namin.
si Paolo nagigising, di ba? Dati, 9 p.m. tulog na yan eh.
Oo.
Tambay ka na dito, Pao.
Ivan, palakihin naman natin yung or let's put it on screen. Serious uli. Many premium bike riders have found it hard to ignore competitively priced but somewhat less premium offerings from China. Many are choosing simply based on its price. Let's unpack on BMW's USP.
Nax USB.
Community, warranty, peace of mind, prestige, and better value for money in the long run and resale.
Hindi siya, USPC ha.
Hindi ko nga alam anong USP.
Unique Selling Proposition.
Yun pala yun, Pao, sorry. Oh. I guess it's you, Archie.
Si JD.
Oo nga. JD. Tama talaga rin.
Tumatahimik si
Utang
JD.
ng loob. Wala ko kinalaman
Hindi naman si
dito.
JD.
Hindi, yung pressure lang naman, di
Oh,
ba?
I guess basically, why would somebody buy an adventure bike or a sport bike na BMW compared to, I mean, we gotta admit, China vehicles, China brands are really getting better and better and better. Right? Why BMW?
Yari ka pa, di ako yan.
Yun ang tanong ni Pao, hindi kami
binasa
yan,
ko
ah.
lang.
I'd really say, first of all, even if Chinese brands are getting better, I think it's hard to discount the fact that the Germans aren't also getting better. So everybody's getting better. Okay? And second of all, I think the easiest way I could answer this, you get what you pay for. So when you get into a BMW bike or when you buy a BMW bike, you can rely on many things. So number one, the community, the way you will be treated, the supports you could rely on from us, from the dealer or from the importer, and I think it's more of like a ticket for you to be part of the closely knit community that BMW has. You know, some people buy it because also for the prestige. I mean, BMW's been known for since Han days.
Heritage.
I mean, since the time Honda dealership was bringing them in, that time they were, which GS was that? The one that they were selling the police, diba?
Yes.
Even the police back then.
Han Manila.
Oh.
Back then, during the great days of Manila, we used to have those. So I think the heritage is also a big part of it. So for people who value those things, you will choose a BMW.
Yun.
There are
Aspirational pa rin.
no, but there are also ako from a consumer's perspective, no. I gotta say we're very lucky tayo because we're not your average consumer. No, we have a certain level of entitlement, right? Because we have a stupid podcast. but if you look at somebody na buying and trading lang, like, you know, whatever. If you buy something from, and what China brand or whatever, it's not just the product. It's not just the specs. It's not just whatever you see on There is so many layers to the experience of owning a motorcycle.
Totoo naman.
Ang laking bagay talaga yung history of community. Of having somebody like Archie, who's been in the motorcycle industry for how long, Archie?
How many decades?
Longer
God knows how
than
long.
Jacob has been alive. Right? That's the amount of motorcycle experience that Archie has.
Yes.
Ba't sinabi mo naman yung totoo?
Narinig ko nga si JD tawag sa kanya
Actually,
And having people like Karen, right? Like Toto, having all of these other things that aren't part of the specs, the displacement of the motorcycle. There is a quality of ownership na intangible.
At saka iba, alam mo ba yun? Whenever I ride with the BMW community, meron dyan parating yung mga old school yung bike from 1960s, sina Tito Roy Bulisay. Dark Horse ba yun? Black Stallion?
Coach Mel!
Yeah.
Coach Mel!
Coach Mel owns a R50 BMW from 1960s. Alam mo yun, hanggang ngayon umaandar pa, tapos nakaka-expressway.
May R26 ako
Ikaw, labas mo naman.
Walang
para makita
papel.
namin.
Walang papel
Hindi, ako add ko lang dun sa, on the ground, like, sa showroom, yung mga salespeople namin, they are trained not to bash other brands. Yun. Kasi, tinuturuan namin sila na wag
I-downplay
yung ibang brands.
Tsaka, I get it. Di ba? Wala naman na kailangan patunayan si BMW as a brand. Yun. I guess, rapid fire. Back.
Be nice and it will be nice. Okay, game. Alam ko si Jacob mas pangkarera. Pero, anong mas gusto mo? R90 or GS?
GS.
Oh, long ride o track day?
Track day.
Sabi na nga ba? Eto na tanong na to kanina.
Magkakapadak na bak eh.
Dream ride sa abroad. Tsaka, ano yung dream ride sa abroad na gusto mo?
Honestly, I can't say, but I would like to be able to join Motorrad Days Germany. So, whatever rows that they have there, anything in Europe, honestly, is sapat na yun sa akin.
Maganda nga.
Tanong natin si Archie. Kasi si Toto yung nagra-ride abroad eh. Si Archie nagtatrabaho abroad eh. OFW eh.
Magta-Thailand
Ako
daw
gusto
yan.
ko i-ride.
Thailand.
Dream ride abroad.
Isle of Man.
Oh!
Sport talaga.
Loop lang, loop.
Sport talaga yung trip ni
Scooter
Archie.
lang.
Si JD, si JD.
O JD, ikaw, anong ride abroad?
Ako ano rin.
Kawyay.
Ano talaga, Motorrad Days yan. Talagang dream ko din na makapunta ron.
Kasama ka ni Boss Jacob.
Sana.
Yan.
Sabay kami
Next
mga
year.
karanas.
Sarap. Okay, basa tayo ng comment. BMW Motorrad Philippines returning to the racing scene.
Yes.
Definitely yes.
Magkakapadak na eh.
Siyempre naman.
Okay. Kayo, may gusto pa ba kayo basahin? Dahil kung wala na, itatanong ko na yung
si Jason Maligaya, ang daming mga comment, hindi pinapansin ni Archie eh.
Meron ba?
Babasahin ba natin?
pwede, basa ka.
Jason, baka may parting words ka for Archie. Hindi na babalik si Archie.
Okay.
I love you, Archie.
Yun ang i-guess
Again,
yan.
Archie is the only reason that this happened.
Oo nga, nagulat
thank you, Archie.
Nagulat ako doon.
Hindi, ganun ka-cowboy itong boss namin. Sobrang down to earth.
Okay, bago yung last question, basahin muna natin yung kay Tito Paulo Abrera.
Ano naman?
Oy, magaling magtanong eh.
Oo nga eh.
Guys, tanong na natin. Sir Jacob, you understand speed, track craft, and the limits of traction. Isang tumbling na lang and we might be able to tempt you to try two wheels.
Yun, good question, Pao.
Yes, may inaantay lang akong bike.
Anong bike? Anong bike?
Parating na raw eh.
Di
Parating
ko
na
pwede
eh.
sabihin.
Ba't hindi mo pwede sabihin?
M1000.
Off-air ulit. Off-air.
Hi, Bing. Kamusta si Bing?
Displacement.
Secret na lang.
Talagang tight-lipped. Sorry guys. O dahil dyan, itatanong ko na yung Sir Jacob, itong tanong na to. Out of 275 episodes, tinatanong talaga namin siya sa mga guests namin.
Sino mas pogi? Si King, si Buck, o si Iba?
Si Bok. Okay. Hindi, ito. In your own words, ano para sa'yo ang pagiging isang tunay na rider?
Responsible. I think safety first before you ride. Or even when you drive a car. Safety first. When I say safety first, it's not don't think about just yourself. Think about the people around you on the road. You know, kasi safety starts with you. And for me, once you're able to do that, and hopefully other people are also able to do that, or yung mga tunay na rider are also able to do that, then makakaiwas tayo sa mga aksidente. And I think isang tunay na rider is also somebody who would use their bike and not just keep it in their garage, you know? So,
Narinig mo, Bok?
Siyempre.
Labas mo yun. Ikaw, JD, para sa'yo, anong pagiging isang tunay na rider?
Yun nga, but I think yung safety is very important. Tsaka siguro ang pwede kong idagdag is talagang you spend time with the people that you really want to spend time with, no? Yung pinaka kasi for us, lalo na yung mga talagang rider, yung gusto natin, we go and enjoy the ride itself eh. Yung pupunta ka lang ng point A to point B is very important, but we wanna have it with the good people around you. So sa akin ang tunay na rider talaga yung nagra-ride linggo-linggo at kasama niya yung mga taong gusto niya makasama at mahal niya sa buhay.
have a good time.
Gusto ni Boss Archie yung sagot mo na yun,
Pero
Nakangiti.
Archie, yung mga kasama natin sa ride, parang walang
di ganun
kwenta eh. Yung mga Jason, mga Rod Chua, yung mga ganun, parang
Ikaw,
Si Rod daw, ganun.
kailangan matuto tayo.
Ganun daw si Rod. Huwag nyo naman sabihin yun kay Rod.
Si Boss Archie, matagal na tong sumagot nun eh. Baka naman pwede nating marinig ulit yung sagot.
Baka
Yung
nag-iba.
Hindi, yung sagot ko dati, same with Sir Jacob. Responsible.
Ngayon, ano yung
Kasi
sagot?
nag-iisip. Tsaka yung, kailangan may takot. Pag wala ka ng fear, ibig sabihin, gagawin mo lang lahat yung gusto mong gawin sa kalye without thinking. So, yun. Ganun kaikli.
Yun. On that note, Iba.
All right. So, again,
Teka,
oh.
can I promote?
Yeah,
naman.
go.
On December, the exact date will be announced. Meron kaming big gathering to end the year. Mangyayari to sa Laos Complex.
Uy,
So may
Pampanga.
short ride going to Pampanga. So may food, may malay nyo, may makita kayong bagong motor. I don't know. Joke lang. So basta, ayun, ini-invite ko. This is not just for BMW owners. Of course, lagi naman open kami for other brands. So yun. Abangan na lang natin this December, Christmas gathering of BMW Motors.
Christmas
May
party
hula
yan.
ako.
Oh, we'll be there.
Alam mo, may hula ako dun sa bagong motor pero hindi ko sasabihin.
Paparapol ng motor.
Hindi, wala.
Oo.
Wala pa.
Ipapa-airlift na. Oh, Gino!
Ayun! Si Gino, ayan na. Ngayon ka
Hello
magsalita,
from
Iba.
Bhutan.
Okay. May mga promotions pa tayo. Gusto nga i-plug. Pwede po.
Yun punta kayo sa mga showrooms namin. Meron kami mga promos for Sir JD, ikaw na.
Also, yung mga...
Pati cars, ha? Pati cars.
Oo,
Pwede
pwede.
i-mention.
Yung mga
Ako bahala dyan.
nangangarap at gusto magkaroon, we offer special deals and discounts for our
si Paolo.
customers. So, wag niyo
Special deals and
kalimutan.
discounts.
Wag niyo kalimutan pumunta sa RSA Motors BMW in Libis. We also have our dealership in Cebu and also in Davao. So, punta lang kayo. Our sales consultants will be there to assist you. And of course, the other dealers of Motorrad is also there, si Pampanga and Motor Ace. So all of our SEs are equipped with the tools that you need. If you want to ask questions, you want to test drive, please let us know. Also, huwag nyo nakakalimutan yung cars namin for Libis and Green Hills.
Ay, meron pala kami every week
Yes.
tech talk.
Yes,
or,
correct.
Uy, maganda yan.
Podcast
So,
ba yan?
no, we actually have a bike care talk, no? So
Care talk.
yeah, so we would be asking our fellow riders to go to our showrooms, and we will be sharing with them how to maintain their bikes, how to properly clean your bikes. Also, our customers who have questions, yung mga may tanong pa na hindi nakakalimutan at minsan hindi masagot, no? At naghahanap lang kay Mr. Google, maaari kayong pumunta sa event namin. We were inviting you. Please go to our showrooms.
Libreng pakain doon.
With
May
free
libre po kaming
breakfast.
pakain, no?
Okay.
Libreng breakfast po. Please just join us. We will be there. We will be there to assist you.
Anong
Anong
araw
day at
yan?
oras?
Tsaka ano?
Please
every
follow our Facebook pages.
And Instagram
Naka-announce
pages.
yan. And Instagram as well.
Iano ko gagawin ako ng kodigo si Moto Chismis, si Sir Aris. Sir Aris, we spoke about yung juiciness of BMW's paddock. BMW will set up an enduro track
Where? We don't know yet.
and an enduro training facility.
Enduro Park.
Enduro Park. Ano pa yung mga ibang juiciness na pinag-usapan na
Tutulog si Aris. Kagigising lang.
Yun
Oh,
ang
yun
ano.
lang,
yun
ang
lang
ano.
muna.
Oh,
Yun muna. Marami na yan.
secret na lang muna
Replay
iba.
na lang, replay.
Oo.
At saka si Sir Jacob, abangan nyo, soon magra-ride na rin daw.
2026 will be
2026.
promising for us. Maraming mangyayaring... Actually,
Exciting things.
kung saan kami nandun ngayon. So,
And then,
we're exploring things.
Si
for
Jack may
2026.
special request. Pwede ba mag-special request na si Sir Archie mag-PMS ng GS mo?
Panis yan.
GS ko, pero I don't think.
Pwede.
Archie's
Pwede.
not the
BC.
person you want to do that. Mas okay if you want Archie to design like the look of your bike para gumanda. Yung mga ganon.
Pwede,
Archie's
pero
the
si
guy.
Jack magbubuhat. Pag
Siya yung Jack.
Si Jack yung Jack.
O yan, no, si Direk Bing Basit gusto na tuloy umuwi from the US. Baka naman pati si Jacob Orbe umuwi na rin.
Oo
Uwi na
nga.
kayo. Uwi na
Punta
kayo.
ng araw eh.
Okay. Iba, hindi pa ba natin pwede i-announce yung...
Pwede ba natin i-announce yung...
Go.
Oh, ikaw na Archie magsabi.
Oo nga.
Or Jacob.
Hindi na. This is your show. Ikaw na.
Kayo na, sir.
Oo, ikaw na.
So, we'd like to announce that
Yan.
we've been super, super nice today. Kasi
Na-approve.
approve ni Boss Archie
Boss Jacob.
at Boss Jacob na BMW will now be a partner, sponsor of Tunay na Rider. So
Again.
maraming salamat.
Welcome.
Yun, magpo-propose na rin ako sa online.
Lagi.
Speaking of next episode, we've got Team CF Moto Australia fresh from the MT Challenge, and Aaron Palabyab.
Oo.
One of the best storytellers and YouTubers in the Philippines.
Storytelling siya sa next week.
Yung medyo Halloween episode, magkikwento siya tungkol sa
Yun
mga
ba yun?
budol ni Mark Song.
Nako po.
Isama kayo, may Halloween ride si Libis, ha?
Uy!
Sa October 29.
Sa Halloween.
Ito.
Oo, so...
Oh, yun, sama kami.
Bagal na yes na.
Bagal. October 29.
Yes,
Tama.
October 29. So we're gonna have a Halloween ride. It's 6 p.m. from the dealership. We'll
Sa
go to
Marilake.
Marilake.
Oh, magtatakotan to.
Kasama ba si Jason dyan?
Si Jason mananakot.
For
yun.
sure, sasama yan.
Pwede scooter?
Pwede.
Oh, sama ako.
Game.
Lahat pwede.
Lahat
Oh,
pwede.
sabi ni Rod, sponsor, pwede na ako manggulo dyan. Wala, ikaw na yung boss namin, Rod. Thank you, Malu.
Thank you.
Any billions, any
Wala na.
Promise, magpapakabait kami. Ngayon, supportin niyo na kami.
Okay, take us out. Make Ride Alive.
Mali nga eh.
Matapos
Ano
mo
ba?
i-announce,
Life arrive.
babalik ka rin.
Make Ride Alive?
Mali.
Make life
BMW.
arrive.
Make life arrive.
Thank you guys. Thank
Yun. Salamat, Pop Sockets, Watt Mobility, Enduro Adventure Philippines, WWR, Otterbox, Ride Manila, aka Ride United,
Ride United.
Cardo, Chigi Philippines, and BMW Motorrad Philippines.
Yun.
I-add na natin yun dyan. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week. Same time, same place.
Same
Good
channel.
night.
Breathe in and out. You deserve peace, and sometimes peace starts with a clean home. With CleanWorks, you don't just get a spotless space, you get mental clarity, professional cleaners, systematic service, hygienic, safe, and stress-free. Let CleanWorks handle the mess so you can focus on what truly matters. Rest, family, or just your time. Clean space, calm mind. Book now at CleanWorks PH on Instagram or Facebook, or call 0966 200 6910 to schedule your cleaning. Because self-care starts at home.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.